Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hello all, I'm DJ's Aviation and I'd like to welcome you all back to another video. This news came out a few weeks ago, but I thought it'd be quite interesting and valid to still make a video on, as it's something you may not have heard. The news relates specifically to Dubai Airport. The airport issued a statement back in February stating that they had plans to close one of the two runways at the airport during a period of 45 days in 2019. And this is quite a big deal, purely because of the immense growth of Dubai as a tourist destination, but also as a hub for Emirates, one of the fastest growing airlines, and also as a layover point for multiple airlines. Removing one runway for such an extended period will result in chaos if not dealt with properly. The closure will take place on the Southern Runway and could mean there is a 43% reduction in capacity. As the airport has over 1,000 movements per day and operates 24/7, this will impact Dubai greatly. Dubai haven't properly planned what will happen during this closure, but a spokesperson for the airport said that the closure's effect on traffic will depend on how airlines respond to the capacity reduction. He went on to say that airlines may adjust their aircraft on the days of the closure to cope with the demand. Never fear though, the Northern Runway underwent the exact same repairs back in 2014 and they did manage. As a result, Dubai World Central Airport, which is around 60 km away from Dubai, gained a number of traffic from the affected flights. However, of course, Dubai World Central is funnily enough being worked on to increase the capacity of it overall. When the new airport is complete, it'll be able to hold 26 million passengers annually. So do you think the repairs on the Southern Runway at Dubai International will impact the airport? Feel free to let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you very much for watching another one of my videos, and I do hope to see you all in the next one. Peace.